Hey guys, Frisian here. We have this 2010 Avalanche, and what's going on with it is that the AC stopped blowing completely. And so pretty much they were driving and the blower completely stopped blowing at all. No matter if you put it all the way up, all the way down, nothing. The only thing you hear is the blender actuators moving back and forth as they should, but the actual blower does not work. Okay, we have the blower right here. This is a new one, and the first thing you want to do before you replace that is to check your fuse. Okay, so let's go check it out. Your fuse for the blower is going to be under the hood down here. Remove the cover, and it's going to be this guy right here. That's a 40, and it looks perfectly fine. So chances are that it is the actual blower. That's why we went ahead and buy it new. So we got our cover back on. I'm also going to be replacing the serpentine belt. Super easy. All you need is a 15, and you got the tensioner right here. Put your 15 in there, and then press down, and then you're going to be able to remove the actual belt because it's going to loosen. Okay, super easy. It should take you 2-3 minutes. Okay, and that's a 5.3. 6.2 is the same thing, so no big deal. So we go down here on the passenger side for the blower. Remove this cover. This cover is held down by two let's see, yeah, by two 7 mils. We got one right here, and you got the other one right here. So let me take these two out, and then we're gonna have access to the blower. Alrighty, so we got the two 7 mil out, and the blower is off. We got the key on, the blower is off, and check this out. You see? The blower is working again. So the problem is that the cables lose connection, and I've seen this many times before, but we're still gonna go ahead and replace the blower and make sure that these cables are tight because there's also obviously a false connection there. You see? So just beware. We're still gonna go ahead and replace the blower. I told the customer, and he said he wants a new one anyways. So let's. All right, so let's remove the blower. Super simple. This blower style is a twist style. You're going to have a small tab. Let's see. All right, so you're gonna have a small tab right about here. This guy right here. So this tab you're gonna pull down, and then you're gonna twist, and then the whole thing is gonna come down. All right, simple as that. Simple as that. The blower is down, and we're just going to disconnect it and put our new one in. So just like that, we got air blowing, it's on, we got heat. All right, so this is the old blower. You got your connector here, and this is the little tab. You just need to bend a little bit and then twist, and then an entire blower will fall down. All right, so hopefully that helps. All you need is a 7 mil and maybe a screwdriver, you know, to just push this pin and pull out the connector. That's about it. All right guys, see you in the next one.